Hi Prof, we're Team 3 Code Crafters, and today we'll be presenting Invest IQ, a simple stock market app which is beginner friendly and is a place where functionality meets simplicity. So now let's go through a demonstration of our website. Now over here we have our homepage, and as you can see right now, we have not logged in onto our website yet. Hence, it will be displayed as logged in as a guest. So now let's go through the dashboard of our homepage. So as you can see, as a first-time user, when you first open up our app, the first thing you notice is the top stock price prediction and the top stock price comparison. So we have generated our algorithm to display the top stocks of the day based on the data that we get from Alpha Vantage API to display the stock price prediction. Hence, over here you can see our linear regression model for Apple stock, and alongside we have our top stocks price comparison. So hence, as as sourced from Alpha Vantage, over here for today we have Apple, Tesla, and Amazon as our top 3 stocks of the day, and we have done a side-by-side comparison of their different prices. And as we scroll below, we also have all top four stocks of the day on display over here, as well as additional information like their closing prices and their predicted prices. So as we scroll through here, we see Apple, we see Tesla, we see Amazon, and we see AMD, along with their respective closing prices and predicted prices. Now, as we scroll further down our website, here we have two different YouTube videos. So our website focuses on educating new users to the stock market, and hence we generated an algorithm to display two new YouTube videos on a daily basis based on our data set. Hence, it's actually a very simple concept. As soon as you log on to our website, every day you'll be learning based on two new simple YouTube videos each day. But as we add this on day by day, it'll definitely build up your knowledge on the stock market over time. So right now, as you can see, we can even click on this video right on this website. So over here, we have stock market basics of stock market, as well as an explained stock market by Netflix on YouTube. And then moving on, now let's try to log on onto our website. So as you can see, here's our login page. But right now, we have not yet created an account yet. So let's create an account for a new user. So over here is our create account web page. So let's try to generate a new account. And now we have been able to create an account as well as login. So this only works as long as you meet our minimum requirements, such as a password of minimally 7 characters, as well as a valid email ID and username. So as we log on, first here's our dashboard. So just as the homepage, we have a top stock price prediction chart over here as well, and the top stock comparison of the day. And alongside, we have a portfolio calculator. So this is where functionality meets simplicity. So for the portfolio calculator, let's zoom in onto Apple stocks. Okay. So for the month of March right now, Apple stocks was priced at 168. Okay. So now let's say I would like to invest in Apple stocks. Okay, so the stock price of Apple is 168. And let's say maybe I would like to purchase or invest in 3 Apple stocks. Now let's calculate. And then over here, we have our portfolio value as well. So this is where we are allowing users to easily calculate their portfolio values without having to reach out or fork out for their calculators or do the accounting on their own. Now, as we scroll down, just as the homepage, we also have our 4 top stocks on display here as well. But along with that, here is one of our main selling points, our chatbot, Stocky. So Stocky is an AI chatbot that is generated especially according to our website. So Stocky is a chatbot that can answer your questions, not just simple questions regarding the stock market, but as well as questions regarding our website itself in specific, as well as other questions like, let's say, historical data or anything else in general. So if you're a new user and you'd like to know anything regarding the stock market, the history of stock market, our website, how to invest, or any other queries that you might have, we have Stocky here for you, your investment buddy. So now let's say hi to Stocky. Hi, Stocky. Other than that, Stocky is also available to communicate to you in different languages. So now let's try speaking with Stocky in, let's say, Hindi. Let's try Namaste. And hence, as you can see, Stocky is actually created to cater to not just English, but as well as different languages. So now let's ask Stocky some questions. Let's say I'm a new user and I'm curious, is investing risky? Damn, that's a lot of important information. Thank you, Stocky. Now I also want to ask, how does Invest IQ actually work? Stocky, how do you predict? Geez, thanks, Stocky. Okay, but what if I encounter some issues on the website? How do I report a bug? All right. Now let's say I'm a new user on this website and I don't understand what these new terms and concepts are. What is an option? What is an equity? How about let's ask him, what is an ETF? Okay, thank you, Saki. Now let's ask him, what caused the stock market crash in 1920? Let's test out what it knows from the past. All right, thank you, Saki. Now, how much money do I need to start investing? Damn, thank you. So now over here, as you can see, we have displayed the functionality of our simple chatbot, Stocky. All right, now let's close Stocky and let's move on to, maybe I would like to find out more about another stock. Okay, let's search for Tesla. So over here, as you can see, our search function allows you to search up the symbol or the name of any stock out there. And after sourcing data from our web API Alpha Vantage, we are able to display all sorts of information like Tesla stock information, the high price, the current open price, close price, volume price, as well as a linear regression graph done by us based on a machine learning algorithm to display this prediction of the Tesla stock market. Hence, users are able to see how much is Tesla likely to earn in the future, or is it even going to earn in the future? Now, let's say I would like to save Tesla and I would like to know more about it later on. So let's bookmark Tesla. Now let's go on to our bookmark page to view this. So as you can see over here, Tesla is right here after we have bookmarked it. As well as we are able to actually filter out the different kind of stocks that we have bookmarked based on their types. So let's try equity. So as you can see, since Tesla is an equity right here, it's right there. But if we were to go to, let's say, option, over here we have Amazon, which is the previously added option by us by default. Now, let's go back to the dashboard. All right. Now, let's say I have some very generalized questions based on a first-time user. Let's find out more on our FAQ page. So over here, we have a bunch of general questions that users might want to know as they log on our website for the first time. So let's click on, let's say, why should I invest in stocks? Or maybe, how can I purchase stocks? Then that's a lot of information. All right, now let's say I would like to top up my account. Let's go on to our payment page. So as you can see here, after going on to our payment page, you'll be redirected to a PayPal website where users are able to top up their account value. So let's say I want to try topping up $100. Let's try topping it up using PayPal first. All right, now let's try doing the same thing using a credit card or debit card. So as you can see here, users are able to top up their account not just using PayPal, but using a debit or credit card as well. Okay. Let's go back to our dashboard. But before we end it off, we'd like to talk about one more additional feature that we have added to our chatbot Stocky. So let's go back to Stocky. So Stocky cannot just understand text, but it can actually understand voice functionality as well. So let's say hi to Stocky. Hi, Stocky. So as you can see here, after recognizing our voice message, Stocky is able to generate answers based on voice as well. And hence that summarizes all the different features that our website Invest IQ is able to bring, where functionality meets simplicity. All right, now that brings us to the end of our demonstration for our website. Thank you.